girls we don't want to be saved. The boys, they got tired of playing the heroes. They'd risk their lives in terms of nothing to show. Even tumbleweed don't brush through this town. Boards go up as the shops close down. Zombies walk the high street of a Friday night. No club or pub or bar is open inside. It's been dead here for decades now. The source of people's comfort, pain, love and fear. Each time you try to leave, get pulled back in. Pursued by few manufacturers, our losses and our wins leave this enormous world to explore. Yeah, we got all we needed and more. No need to run to sunset. A job upgrade us. Eventually we'll get out. Once time has run its course, we believe now. Oh, this is what we die. We run to the city, but we're blinded by landers, lights. Someday we'll pass by through again, 'cause we take these towns with us from start to end. Some attachment that runs far deeper than blood, despite the inevitable sinking into sand and mire and mud. You know, maybe John Wayne won't be turning in his grave. All that goes round needed to be saved. The boys in time, while they're alive, their love is measured by trust and faith, and not by how much you gain in return.